there. Do you have an appointment with Dr. Florence? Then come this way.
It's Dr. Florence.
Hello, and welcome to your appointment with the knowledgeable, the educational, and the hairiest doctor around. It's Dr. Florence. Hi, Dr. Florence. And I'm Dr. Jenna Benner. And today we're going to talk to you about... Oh, excuse me. Maybe Dr. Florence, you can tell everyone what we're going to talk about. Oh, Florence, bless you. I know. Dr. Jack, can you tell us what we're going to talk about today?
I do.
Bless you, Dr. Jack. Dr. Lincoln, can you tell us? Oh dear, bless you, Dr. Lincoln. Seems like there's a cold going around. Funny that, because today we're going to talk to you about coughs and colds. Sometimes something called a virus can get up your nose and into your mouth and give you a cough and a cold. And viruses are so small.
This small?
No, they're smaller than that.
This small?
They're smaller than that.
How small?
Viruses are so small that you can't even see them. So they go up your nose and into your mouth, giving you a cough or a cold, and you don't even know it. And when you have a cough or a cold, you might not feel very well. You might feel tired. You might not want to eat very much. You might not want to play very much. You might have a fever. Which means you might feel very hot. Or you might feel very cold. And you might find that you cough and you sneeze a lot. When you have a cough or a cold, it's really important that you have good meals, that you take rest, and that you drink a lot. You don't want to share your cough or your cold with anyone, do you?
Oh no.
Because when you cough and when you sneeze, the virus comes back out of your mouth and your nose and can go into somebody else's mouth and nose too and make them unwell. So it's really important that when you cough and when you sneeze, you cover your mouth and wash your hands, and then the virus can't spread anywhere. Maybe we should sing about it.
When you cough and when you sneeze, achoo! What do? You cover your mouth, you cover your mouth, achoo! Then what do? You wash your hands. That's what you do. When you cough and when you sneeze, achoo! What do? You cover your mouth, you cover your mouth, achoo! Then what do? You wash your hands. That's what you do.
So today we've learned all about viruses and that they are so small that we can't even see them. They can give you coughs and colds, and that it's very important that when you cough and when you sneeze, you cover your mouth and you wash your hands. Maybe next time we can learn about how to wash our hands properly. What do you think? But sadly, this is the end of your appointment. So it's a goodbye from Dr. Florence, a goodbye from me, Dr. Jenna Benner, a goodbye from Dr. Jack,
Bye-bye.
and a goodbye from Dr. Lincoln.
Bye-bye.
and we'll definitely see you soon. See you at your next appointment. Goodbye and take care.
It's Dr. Florence.